This is a screencast on how to utilize transitions in between your slides on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The presentation that I have pulled up is from my first semester of block teaching when I was in college. However, what I neglected to add was transitions between my slides. So if I go to the top of the ribbon, under the Transitions tab, the ribbon that comes up gives me a variety of options to use for transitions. If I hit the double down arrow for more, it gives me even more examples to add as my transitions. To keep it simple this time, we'll just focus on what they give me for previews originally. Now, if I decide to click on them, each individual one has a fun transition associated with it. As you can see, for the push option, it comes up pretty fast. If for some reason you wanted it to last longer as it pushed up the page, you can go over to timing on the ribbon, and under duration, you can hit the up arrow. Let's do 3.5. Now when I hit push, it'll slowly work its way up the screen. If I decided that I wanted to apply that to all I have to do is go back over to the timing section and hit apply to all. If you look over to the far left, underneath each of the numbers for the slides, it has now added a star. This allows you to know that a transition has been set for the slideshow. If we continue on the first slide and then go to slideshow, on the far left corner of that band, I can hit from beginning, and it will give me a preview of how my transitions will work during my PowerPoint. If I decided that I wanted to make any changes, all I had to do was go back to the Transitions ribbon, and I can decide to change it at any time. Just because I change one does not necessarily change all of them though. So if we go back to slideshow and hit from the beginning, my first slide can open up as this first option, and then it defaults back to the slide motion.